To turn on theater mode manually for a specific duration in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap theater, tap turn on manually, and then select 2 hours, which is the default duration for this mode. If needed, you can adjust the duration. As the example, we will set it to 3 hours. Tap the back button and then tap turn on button. By doing this, the theater mode will be turned on immediately and your phone will apply the setting you have in this mode. As a note, this mode will turn off after the duration you have set before. In this case, after 3 hours. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.